Hey, hi guys. Okay, welcome to PCF. Okay, in our last class, we have seen the table variable and temporary table. Okay, a difference between the table variable and temporary table, when to use table variable and temporary tables, and we discussed it very clearly. Okay, in today class, we are going to discuss the derived table. Okay, and also we'll compare with the derived table with the views, table variable, and temporary tables. Okay, so here, so I have two tables. Okay, this is the department table. Okay, this is the department table, and this is the TBL department, and this is the TBL employee table. Okay, TBL employee EMP table. Okay, so you have two tables. Out of these two tables, I should get the results like this. Okay, so who employee counts? Okay, employee counts greater than or equal to 2. Okay, I want to get. Okay, so that is like we have a IT 2 times. So IT means like IT means 1, right? Department IT. So like we have a 2 counts, and department 3 means sales. Okay, we have a greater than or equal to means like we have, okay, we should get the final output this. Okay, but we can achieve this result. Okay, we can achieve this results by using view, and by using temporary tables, by using table variable, and by using derived table also. Okay, so then which one is the best, and we will discuss this. Okay, so view. Okay, view will save the query case. Okay, if you, okay, let me go and create. Okay, you have a 2 tables. I have created the tables. Okay, those are the results. Okay, so whatever I have shown in Excel, so the same results we have seen here. Okay, so these are the tables. Okay, if I create a view, okay, suppose take a, let me take this query. Okay, let me take this. Okay, if I create a view, okay, based on the join base. Okay, so like TBL department ID, and so employee table department ID, and employee table department ID I'm joining. Okay, if you want to, so this is like which department. Okay, it's asking department ID, like which department ID. Okay, that is maybe employee department ID, something like that. Okay, employee anything. Okay, you can take only ask me. Okay, and then here also, so you can write it employee department ID, or so you can create. So I'm not discussing about how to create a view and how to join that and all. Okay, I have already. Okay, if you are new to joins or new to views, okay, you can watch my previous videos, guys. Okay, I have already explained very clearly about this. Okay, so I think view is already existed or what. Okay, let me, okay, create. Okay, it's created successfully. Now you want these results, right? Okay, now you want these results, so like in Excel. So how we want, so the department, like where we have the total employee count greater than or equal to. Okay, total employee count greater than or equal to. Okay, I have written this one also. Just let me take that. Okay, you can take select department name and then total. Okay, select department name and total employee count. Okay, this is from the view. Okay, I'm taking the total department name and total. Okay, total, whatever the total employee count. Okay, I'm taking the total employee count and then greater than or equal to. Okay, so you will get these results, guys. Okay, whatever in Excel, okay, we are expecting, we are getting the, but view will save the query. Okay, one time. Okay, for one time, if you create a view, okay, view, like when we'll create a view, okay, where you are using the same query and again, it's having a lots of code. Okay, instead of executing lots of code, you will go with the view, right? So for this one time execution, okay, you want only the departments, so which are having the count, okay, this many, then this is a one time usage. Okay, so but okay, we can achieve this view with the view, the results we can achieve with the view, but this is only one time usage, right? Okay, so better no need to go with the view. Okay, so but we can achieve with the view. Okay, that is the first point. Even that we can achieve with the temporary tables also, guys. Okay, table variable and temporary tables also. Okay, so let me take the temporary table query. Okay, same query. Okay, whatever the query we have used here, joins and everything. Okay, the table joins. Okay, so select department name, department ID, and then so the joins what we have done. So the same thing we will do for the temp tables also. Okay, for the temp tables also. Okay, let me take this. Okay, we have a why it's giving error means like we have a department ID in both the tables. Okay, that is the reason it's not understanding which department ID you want me to take. It's asking. Okay, so here we are inserting into the table. Okay, we are inserting into the temporary table the same query. Okay, the same query. So we can insert this. Okay, where we are getting this table structure and all. Okay, means when you insert select column names. Okay, column names into this temporary table, it automatically create the structure. Whatever the columns you provide, it automatically create a structure and it will create a temporary table. Okay, so it will create a temporary table. Okay, so let's execute that. Okay, let's execute that. It will create a temporary table. Okay, it will create a temporary table, and then you can, from this also you can achieve that, but you have to explicitly drop the temporary table. Okay, if you once you created, okay, you have to drop temporary table. Okay, if you use this in a nested stored procedure, okay, so there you will get a, okay, there you will get a result, so the table so if you executed in another stored procedure, okay, in a parallel way, so if it is a it's execute global temporary table. Okay, if you create a global temporary table and if you are executing multiple times, so it will give an error like the table already existed, something like that. Okay, so best practice is that, so always you have to drop a table, but a single usage and I'm going with the temporary table, I need to drop a table. Okay, but this is also one of the things. Okay, for this also we can achieve that, but still we are dropping the table, and by using table variables also we can achieve that. Okay, table variable also we can achieve that. Okay, table variable I have explained very clearly in my previous video. Okay, you are new to table variable. Okay, please watch that video, guys. Okay, so same here, sorry, let me take this. Okay, so let me, okay, so yeah, so table variables means, okay, you have to declare a table structure. Okay, what are the columns you want to, you have to create a table structure, like I want to department name and department ID and total count. Okay, total employee count. Okay, so and then so select into table variable will not work, guys. Okay, it will not support. Okay, yesterday we have seen that. Okay, so it will not work. Okay, so that is the reason I am going with the insert into this table variable. Okay, whatever the select statement is there. Okay, just so you have to select all at a time, declaration, insert, and so if you first declare once and then, okay, try to insert the next time. Okay, so it will not take. Why? Because it's a table variable. Okay, so that is only for the batch. Okay, specific batch. So you cannot go with the single you cannot go with the separate execution. You have to go with the single execution. Okay, even selection also. Okay, selection also you have to go with at a time. Okay, suppose if you are trying to execute this one, okay, you may not execute. See, right? So you have to declaration and insertion and selection, everything you have to go do at a time. Okay, so this is only for the batch execution, guys. Okay, table variable is only for the batch execution. Okay, so here the disadvantage of the table variable is you have to declare and you have to insert and then you have to select. But the simple thing is you can go with the table variable. Okay, that is very simple thing, guys. Okay, you can take a same copy. Okay, same copy. Okay, we can okay, so we can go with the same copy of the query. So let me take this. Okay, you can okay, you can make this as a table, guys. Okay, this is, you can make this as a table. Okay, so whatever the, okay, this query, okay, whatever this query, okay, I'm making this as a table. The table name is employee count. Okay, the table name is employee count. Okay, as employee count. Okay, where, okay, I'm writing where total employee count greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so you can select the columns. Okay, so okay, you can, so this is the table, right? From a table you are selecting. Okay, so before that you have to select the column names. Okay, select the department name, comma, department part. So department name, what you want, department name and total employee. Okay, total total emp from where? From this table. Guys, I'm making this as a table. Okay, I'm making this as a table from this table. Okay, you can write one more select statement. Okay, and what are the columns you want, you can take. Okay, and then you can write a from, and this is the table. Okay, this is the table, and where you can use a where class, and then you can. Okay, this is only for the current row context. Okay, so you may no need to drop these table variables. Okay, no need to drop the table variable. Table variables are available only in the context of the current query. Okay, so in the current query only you can so that is only available in the current query only. It may not be available in the next query. Okay, so that is the reason, no need to drop, no need to do anything. So if you see the view, okay, view saves. Okay, view save the query, and for one time usage, no need to go view. Okay, this is one time usage, right? So view also saving in a view section, and then okay, so but if this is a one time usage, right, no need to go with the view. Okay, so by we can achieve that. Okay, we can achieve with the view. And even temporary table you need to drop explicitly. And also for table variable, you have to declare and select and insert, and you have to do all these things to achieve that. But table variable is a simple way. Okay, you can make this as a table, and then you can select the whatever the columns you want to select in the select statement, and you can do with the like this. Okay, temporary results. Okay, it's a only for the current query context. So that is the reason table variable. Whenever you have a single usage and you want to available only in the current context, okay, you can go with the table variable. And also we can go with the CTE, guys. Okay, CTE means common table expression. Okay, that we will discuss in detail tomorrow. Okay, these results we can achieve with the CTE also, but if I explain CTE, you may not understand. Okay, tomorrow I will explain CTE very clearly. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, hope you understand. And I have okay, so as for our no discussion, what I have explained. Okay, so what is a derived table, I will explain. And I'm compared and also I have compared with the views and tables variables and temporary tables also. Okay, hope you got these points. Okay, but I did not explain the query results, guys. Okay, this query I didn't not explain. Why? Because okay, I have explained joins already and views already. That is the reason I didn't go for the query. And even temporary tables also I have explained very well in my previous session. Table variables also I have explained very well in my previous session. That is the reason I didn't go to the detail of that query. Okay, yeah, so if you are not clear with that query, so you can go with this like what are the topics I covered. So please watch that video, and then you can understand very well. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Okay, so if you like the video, please share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel, guys. Okay, thank you.